How to make money on bigo live. This is ways to make $1,000 per month with bigo live app. Bigo live is a live streaming app where content creator can entertain people and get paid from hosting podcast to selling online courses. Doing comedy. There are a lot of ways to build a network and gain a following. You can entertain people with your live streaming content. People with your live streaming content, there is definitely money to be made. The bigo live streaming platform has made than uh, 4,000 million registered hours who are all live streaming for themselves or watching other people live streaming, which makes in the perfect destination for streamers hoping to turn their hobby and talent into a little extra cash. Best way to money or make money on bigo. Source to make money on bigo, you must first become a host, and there are typically two ways to do that. The first way is download the bigo app, the sign up and go live as a regular hosting. This method allows to earn money from gift. You can earn money from gift card beans that viewers send you during your podcast, and send your the more popular you are and the more fans you have, the more beans you can earn, the more beans which you can then cash out. The second way to become a bigo live host and maximum and an official host and get paid a base salary. Official host work under a contract that either signed with bigo live or an other requirement agency. Official host must hit a monthly target to receive their salary, which is based on their host target. As an official host to on bigo, you are required to get stream and minimum of 30 hour per month over at least 50 days each month to get paid the minimum salary. That means you must stream at least every other day for 2 hours to meet the monthly requirement, or you can choose to stream 1 hour every day to hit the 30-hour minimum. Bigo host can earn $150 and maximum $10,000 in a month. Salary total depend on how much gift target you have achieve in a month period. You are not required to become an official host and on bigo live to earn the month, but there are definitely months that there are choosing the options official bigo live host. You will receive more payments than our regular host. The required agency provider uh, special assistance. You can be part of official bigo events. A talented host receive special live house performance. You can your content may appear in live hot live host section. You can get immediately help to cite to issues, abuse comment id. To become an official host on bigo, you first need to contact bigo live official email fee or an agency. The bigo require your bigo user id to shoot a live interview with the required first host podcast. As a content creator, you can use bigo to live streamers podcast talking about current events, sharing your own thought. You gain a follow and earn bigo tips that you cash out with the podcast on bigo live. You can also sell advertising to business who wish to target your audience. The second, become a live streamer. Live streaming is what to bigo live is all about. What's how you are earning money on this side, and like video platforms like YouTube, Rumble, where earning are focused on editing videos posted on site, and spend podcasting live and virtual gift is how you make money on bigo. You can live stream your daily to putting on makeup, cooking, dinner, playing video gamers, running, earn what you whatever you want to share your audience. Essentially, you can live stream your life.